Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the one-to-one relationship. So today we'll be discussing about the one-to-many relationship, right? So here, in one-to-many, one record in table A, one uh, record in table A can be related to multiple records in table B. So that for that reason itself, the name itself suggests that one to many, right? The name itself suggests that one record in table A can be related to the multiple records in table B. The name itself goes with one to many relationship, right? So we can understand in this way. One to many in one to many relationship, one record in table A can be related to the multiple records in the table B. This is the most common relationship, right? So for a simple example, a department can have multiple employees or many employees, right? So a single department can have many employees. This is the simple example for the one to many relationship, right? So in one to many, in simple terms, one record in table A can be related to the multiple records in the table B. So this is one of the most common relationship we make use of, right? So we usually go with the this one to many a times. We just come across one to many relationship many times, right? So this is one of the most common relationships. So a department can have many employees, right? So let's go with a simple example, very simple example. Just let's try to understand the one to many relationship. I'll just go with use YT test. So this is fine. First let's create the table teachers. I'll just go with a create. So this one will be table, so this one will be teachers. This is fine. This is fine. So within this table, let me go with teacher id. So this one will be int uh, primary key. So this one, uh, teacher id, we have marked that one as primary key, right? So I'll just go with the teacher. So let me go with here teacher name as well. So I'll just go with varchar 50. This is fine. 50 is enough. More than enough. This is fine. So this is it for the table teachers. Let me go with one more table here. I'll just go with create table. So this one will be classes. This one will be classes. So this is fine. Within the classes table, so I'll just go with class ID. So this will be int primary key. Primary key. This is fine. Let me go with the class name. So this will be varchar of 50. Varchar of 50. This is fine. Also let me go with teacher id. This one will be int. So this will be, let me go with the foreign key. We know the concept of foreign key here, so I'll just go with the foreign key here. So this one has to reference something, right? So foreign key of let me consider teacher id. So let me copy this one, paste it over here. Also it should references. So this one has to reference this one teacher references the table teacher primary key we have been given. This one I have to give e, I think. References, yeah, teachers. This one primary id, it references to the primary id of the another table, right? So I'll just consider this one teacher id. Let me give the teacher id here. This is fine. I hope this is fine, man. So this is it for the query. This is it for the query. So let me explain this one in simple terms. So here we have teachers table. Here we have teacher per one row. We have teacher per one row. This one teachers table consists of the teachers, right? So basically one row per teacher. And classes, we have another table named classes. We have multiple classes assigned to one teacher. We have multiple classes that is assigned to one teacher. We have multiple classes that is assigned to one teacher. So here output, we know tables will be successfully created. tables will be successfully created, and each class will point to the teacher via teacher id. Each class will point to the teacher via teacher id. So let me execute this one. Let's see what error we have here. Let's line number 10. Could not find the stored procedure classes. So what's wrong here? Mm, so here I have given teachers. This is fine. Stored procedure table. This is fine, right? Just give me a second here. So now I executed again, man. This works correctly. I don't know first. Oh, there is already an object named teachers in the database. This is fine. We have the teacher. Again, I'm trying to this one, right? Again I'm trying to execute. So we are getting there is already an object named teachers in the database. This is fine. This works absolutely correct, right? Completion time, we have got this one. So you can clearly see here. So we have executed the query. The query works absolutely correct here in this case, right? So now tables are created and each class will point to the teacher with via teacher id. So because we have considered foreign key of teacher id, that is referencing to the teacher id within the teachers table. So each class will point to the teacher via teacher id, via teacher id, right? So this one, right? So I hope this part is completely clear, man. Let me summarize this one for you, and let's discuss the next one. So here one to many relationship allows multiple child records to relate to a single parent. One to many allows multiple child records to relate to the single parent, right? And also it is enforced via foreign key. One to one as well, one to many as well, it is enforced via foreign key. That is the reason I have considered foreign key uh, here before the relationship types. That is the reason we went with the foreign key. Basically it will be very helpful. I should have I would have considered the foreign key before itself when we considered primary key, natural keys, surrogate keys, right? So I would have considered there itself rather than going with them. For the foreign key I have considered this one because foreign key plays a prominent role in the relationship types. So that is the reason I have considered foreign key before, just before the relationship types, discussing relationship types, right? So here for now this is it. This is it. So next let's discuss many to one relationship. Next let's discuss many to one relationship. For now this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.